Have you ever wondered about life in the deepest ocean? 11,000 meters below. The surface of the Pacific Ocean lies a place darker than space itself. The pressure down there is over 1,000 times what you feel on land, enough to crush a submarine like a soda can. And yet, things live there. This is what we actually know about the Mariana Trench. Welcome back to History and Mystery, where we explore the strangest, unexplained places on Earth. If deep-sea mysteries creep you out as much as they fascinate you, stick around and subscribe, because it only gets stranger from here. The Mariana Trench sits in the western Pacific Ocean, near the Mariana Islands. At its deepest point, called the Challenger Deep, it drops nearly 11,000 meters below sea level. To put that in perspective, if you dropped Mount Everest into the trench, its peak would still sit over 2,000 meters underwater. Humans have been to the moon more times than we've been to the bottom of our own ocean. As of today, fewer than a handful of crewed missions have ever reached the Challenger Deep. Here's why so few have gone. At full depth, the water pressure is over 1,000 times what we experience at sea level, roughly equivalent to 50 jumbo jets stacked on top of a single person. There is no sunlight. None. Past about 1,000 meters, we enter what's called the midnight zone. Total darkness all the way down. The temperature hovers just above freezing. And yet, this crushing, freezing, lightless world is not empty. So what actually lives down there? Scientists have documented the Mariana snailfish, currently the deepest living fish ever recorded, found at depths of nearly 8,000 meters. Its body is translucent, almost jelly-like, adapted to survive pressure that would instantly kill most life on Earth. There's the giant amphipod. Think of a shrimp-like creature, but scaled up to the size of a human forearm, thriving in one of the harshest environments on the planet. Xenophyophores, strange, single-celled organisms the size of a fist, have been found coating the trench floor, and scientists still don't fully understand how they survive there. And then there are the microbes. Trench sediment samples have revealed bacteria unlike anything found elsewhere on Earth. Organisms that don't need sunlight, don't need oxygen the way we do, and survive on chemical reactions alone. The Mariana Trench reminds us of something strange. We've mapped the surface of the moon in more detail than the deepest point of our own planet. Every creature we've found down there has adapted in ways that seem almost alien, built to survive in conditions that should be impossible. And with over 95% of the ocean still unexplored, it's very possible that the strangest discoveries are still waiting in the dark.